15 प्रीवियस क्लास रे हम चैप्टर पढ़थिले 15 रे जे देयर हाउ ए इट यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट टुडे we are going to discuss about this exercise okay देखो देखिए choose the correct verb from the brackets ये जो देजी ए ब्रैकेट भीतर जो दिया verb देजी ता भीतर हमें चूज करबा पूर्व देखो एठी हमर दे आर यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट हेजी बट एठी ए सेंटेंस रे हम देखबा रियल सब्जेक्ट ता के कोन लिखा छी ना देयर वाज और वेयर नो स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास in this sentence which is the real subject there is the used as subject but in this sentence real subject is the students okay we know if the real subject is singular it takes singular verb if the real subject is plural it takes plural verb ebe dekho students is it singular or plural students is the plural subject though it is the plural subject it must take plural verb okay pehले में कौन है बेटा ना there were no students in the class do you understand it is the plural subject so it takes the plural verb there were no students in the class okay then question number 2 is there was or were no student student is the real subject but a student is a singular or plural student it is the singular subject so it take the singular verb was there was no student in the class okay question number 3 there has or had been many accidents accidents is the real subject accidents is the subject if it is plural or singular accidents it is the plural subject though it is the plural subject it must take the plural verb has or had plural के had पहले कौन होगा there have been many accidents in this street okay question number 4 there is or are a clock in the wall in the sentence real subject is clock clock a clock is it singular or plural it is singular so there is a clock on the wall okay question number 5 there is or are only 2 matches in the box 2 matches is the real subject 2 matches it is the plural subject so it also takes plural verb there are only 2 matches in the box okay do you understand then question number 6 is there was or were a notice yesterday here a notice is the real subject notice a notice is the singular subject so it takes the singular verb there was a notice yesterday okay question number 7 there was or were a snake in the grass in the sentence a snake is the real subject there was or were a snake is the singular subject so it takes there was a snake in the garden do you understand turn your book page number 40 question number 8 there has or have been some mistake is the real subject some mistake jehetu some it is the plural form there have been some mistake there has been haba nahi question number 9 there is or are many interesting stories in this book many interesting stories are the real subject stories is the plural subject so it takes a plural verb there are many interesting stories in this book okay last one is there was or were a big crowd at the platform. देखो, there was or were a big crowd. Big crowd is the plural. So many people are there, but crowd always take the singular form. तेणु कौन होगा? There was a big crowd at the platform. There were a big crowd about 9. Okay. Then question number 2 is answer the following questions in a complete sentences. कौन कहिछि देखो? कहिछि how many students are there in this class? हमें आंसर देबा. देखो there are 40 students in the class. लिखली there are 40 students. 40 students is the real subject. If it is plural, then it is there are. जदि मु ताको नेगेटिव आंसर लिखे कोन लिखबी? there is no student. केही पिला नाहंती. student is the singular subject असला. So it is take singular form. there is no student in the class. Okay. तापर देखो देखी how many teachers are there in your school? there are 12 teachers in our school. If we take negative answer, there is no teacher. There is no teacher in our school. Question number 4 is how many fans were there in the room? How many fans were there in the room? There were 2 fans in this room. Okay? जदि हमें को नेगेटिव करिबा there was no fan. There was no fan in this room. Okay. Then question number 5 is how many students were there yesterday? गतकाली केते जण पिला थिले? There were 20 students yesterday. Or there is no student yesterday. Okay. Then question number 6 is how many hours are there in a day? गोटे दिन रे केते घंटा? एठी हम दी प्रकार करि परिबा नाही. there is 24 hours. there are 24 hours in a day. 24 घंटा. एठी हम there is no hour करि परिबा नाही. नेगेटिव आंसर आ होबो नाही. how many days are there in a week? there are 7 days in a week. there is no day करि होबो नाही. there are 7 days in a week. Okay. how many months are there in a year? there are 12 months in a year. Understand? तमरा there use a subject for exercise is complete. Okay. Then page number 41. page number 41 exercise. कौन लिख देखो? choose the correct verb from the bracket. from those given in brackets. It is or are very hot today. I mean eat पढ़ुले कोन बोलना ना eat always takes the singular form. So it is very hot today. Okay. Question number 2. It was or where? कोन हो? It was winter at that time. Question number 3. It is or are a foolish act? It is. Question number 4. It was or were good to do this exercise? It was. Okay. Question number 5. It has or had? It has. Because has is the singular form. It has been a very cold winter. Last one. It is or are? It is. 9 by 9 watch. Okay. Question number 2. This answer the following questions in the complete sentences. Question number 2 this कोना हम answer दबार complete sentence रे answer देबा. Is it cloudy today? आज आकाशटा मेघालय करिछि कि जदि करिछि yes it is cloudy today. But no it is not cloudy today, it is sunny. Okay. Isn't it very hot today? आज बहुत गरम हो नाही कि जदि होछि yes it is very hot today. जदि गरम हो नाही no it is not very hot today. पूरा कंप्लीटली हमें लिखबा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Is it good to tell the truth? सत कहिबाटा एक भल अभ्यास की बा भल कथा की? It is true. Yes It is good to tell the truth. Question number 4. Was it your birthday yesterday? तुम जन्मदिन गतकाली थिला कि? जदि थिला, yes, it was my birthday yesterday. जदि नथिला, no, it was not my birthday yesterday. Okay? Question number 5. Wasn't it a holiday on that day? सेही दिन तुम जन्मदिन दिन से दिन तुम छुट्टी दिन थिला कि? जदि प्रकृत संडे रे पड़िथिबो बा कोनोसी एमटा हॉलिडे रे पड़िथिबो, yes, it was a holiday that day. जदि सेटा छुट्टी दिन नथलो, no, it was not a holiday that day. Okay? Question number 6. Has it been a rainy day? आज गोटे वर्षा दिन की? No, it is not a rainy day. Or yes, it is a rainy day. Okay? Question number 3. Complete the following sentences. It is in own words. Using your own words. It is a rainy day. It is a pen. It is a chalk. Okay? It was sunny today. It was sunny yesterday. It has been a very cold winter. There is a pen on the table. There are many students in the playground. There was a monkey in the tree. There were so many sweets in our fridge. There has been a monkey. There has been a black pen in my pocket. There have been many complaints against you. Okay? These are the exercise for you. Okay?